Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project ICC Bombay by Bombay Realty located in Dadar East, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right at the main gate from where you can enter and you will get the actual land parcel. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 4.8 acres that will have total of 1 tower with ground plus 45-story having 4 BHK and 4.5 BHK luxury residences. And now talking about the location and connectivity, from where Atal Setu is at a distance of 5 minutes, Worli Shivri Connector is at a distance of 5 minutes, Eastern Freeway is at a distance of 2 minutes and you have Orange Tunnel at a distance of 10 minutes from the project. And now speaking of amenities, this project has 30 plus luxurious amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, multi-purpose court, mini theatre, garden, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configurations and carpet area, as said, this project has 4 BHK and 4.5 BHK residences with 4 BHK in the carpet area of 2143 to 2566 square feet and 4.5 BHK in the carpet area of 2974 square feet. Now let's talk about the booking process. The booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 11 lakh for 4 BHK and 4.5 BHK residences. This EOI will come with multiple benefits like exclusive launch discounts. EOI holders will have multiple exclusive launch discounts over and above others. Second, preference in inventory selection, which means token holders will be called first to select their respective flats, and 100% refundable, which means if the token holder doesn't want to proceed for any reason, this token will be 100% refundable without any deduction. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project ICC Bombay by Bombay Realty located in Dadar East, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.